So you can't go get alternative parts that aren't covered by those patents, which would be oftentimes 40% cheaper. Also, these car companies, they're taking your data and selling it back to insurance companies. There's a whole bunch of problems at play here. What are you doing to fix this?
Yeah, there's a lot of issues there, and I just think the American people should be able to take their vehicle wherever they want to go. If they have a friend down the road that's a mechanic and is certified to do the type of repairs they need done, and they don't want to spend $1,000 at the dealership to do it, and they have somebody that's willing to do it at a cheaper cost, there shouldn't be some prohibitory laws that doesn't allow people to do that. So I've signed on as a co-sponsor of the Repair Act, and I think that everyday Americans, especially with what we just talked about with the inflationary costs and the cost of everyday goods and how expensive it is to purchase vehicles and to purchase everyday items, more and more people are repairing their vehicles so that they can have their vehicles last longer. And I think this just helps everyday Americans to have the ability to do that and not be forced to have to go to a dealership where the cost is much higher.